What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we got a super awesome watch face for you all to check out by the jeweler. This guy got down on this watch face. Now, the name of the watch face is called Jeweler Summer Sportive USA. It's got 80,000 theme combinations in one. Very nice looking watch face. So let's take a look at it. Now, in always on mode for the Gear 3, you're going to get the full look of the watch face. It's just going to be dimmed down. But I'm loving the look of the Gears 2. I thought he did a great job on this one. Very impressed. Now, once the watch face is on, you greeted with a whole bunch of information that I'm loving, right? So at the top, you're going to get your weather. I like the way that it's sectioned off from your steps and also your heart rate that's right up under it. You will get your step goal completed, a meter right there that's right in between. You come down, you get a nice digital time, 24 hours and 12 hours. You come down, you will get the days of the week. It's going to be circled in red to let you know what day of the week it is. That's very cool. You get a moon phase down at the bottom, and you also get your day. You also get information on days within the year we already in, and also the weeks. Now, this is an interactive watch face, right? So I can tap in certain places, and he gives you a menu as to let you know where you can tap at in order to extract the information that you're looking for. So I thought the developer definitely did a good job with this watch face thus far, and this is not it. Check this out, right? Now, it's hard to do it behind the camera, but I'm gonna try. And you can customize the color of the top. Just keep double tapping, and it'll change the color thing of the watch face. It's got so many to choose from. Just cycle through till you get to the one you like. Now, if you go down a little bit, tap right here, you can change the middle of the watch face. Very nice, right? And you come down a little bit more, and you can change the bottom. I thought this was nice. He gives you a menu now to let you know where you can go to tap on to customize and change the theme of this watch face. And you can do the same thing over here. Very nice. Very hard to do from behind the camera, but it's very nice, right? So check it out. Double tap here. And you can go ahead and set your shortcuts. There's a couple of people that love these shortcuts. I think it's very valuable. I'm glad that they're starting to put them on there now. You get 2 of them. So you can set 2 shortcuts, your favorites, and you're in there. All right, you all. I love this watch face. I thought the developer definitely got down on this, but at the end of the day, it is all about you. What did you think? Hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to know your thoughts on this watch face, and I'm going to see if the developer is willing to give up some freebies of this watch face. I will let you know as soon as he replies. All right, you all. If you have a chance, go to the developer's page and leave a comment, because this guy is definitely doing his thing on these watch faces. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.